Hi guys! I'm here in my little building and it's very cold in this room. So anyway, I will be doing a haul video because I haven't done any makeup look for quite a while, and I decided to um, buy makeup products online, and I bought this stuff from Ulta. So this is going to be just a, not very long video, or maybe more. But anyway, so let's get started. And um, I just, I'm trying out to not edit this video and just publish it, or, like that. So anyway, let's start with this one. This is eyelash curler. There it is. I bought this, I don't know. I tried this long time ago and I really love it. And also my daughter has been, she's been using this mascara, and then we've been loving it so far. So this is our, favorite mascara. And look at this. There you go. So that's that. That's the first item. And the second one is this. Another mascara. It's a Sky High mascara from Maybelline. This is not sponsored, okay? This is not a sponsored video. This is I bought this stuff with my own money, so I'm doing a haul video, okay? So that's that. It's a mascara. And this is this. I love this eyebrow gel. And I have probably, I don't know, maybe 5 of this, and I've been using it. So yeah, I love this eyebrow gel. It's just a gel, like that. And just put it on my eyebrow after I apply the eyebrow, pencil, or use the eyebrow pencil. And then this one here. This is a lip liner, and they have, like, if you buy 2, so you'll get a free one. So I bought 2 and I got a free one. And where's the other one? Okay, here it is. So I have 3 of this lip liner. There you go. That. Different, shades. This one is more like a pinky. You know what? I couldn't read because I don't have my glasses, and it's cold in this house, so I have to hurry up. Anyway, yeah, these are the, the colors of the lip liners. So, and okay, I need to have a little, uh, a little, what do you call that one? Oh, anyway, so enough of that. Here's an eyeliner pencil. And this one is a Color Stay eyeliner pencil. Yeah, it's just that. And then, what else is in here? See, I have another eyebrow gel. I bought, hold on a second. There's 2. And what else? So I will, make a video like makeup look like that. And here is the, I think, lip gloss. Yeah, these are the lip glosses. Different shades or colors of the lip glosses. There, it's more like nude color, and this one is kind of a pink, and that one too. So I like this one. So you better watch my, next, not next, but maybe someday I will do a makeup look. I know. I haven't done any makeup look for, I don't know, a while now, so I kind of miss, you know, putting makeup on my face. And this one is concealer. That that color. And this one is eye primer for the eye primer. I still have, you know, other makeup products in the house, in the, you know, makeup, whatever that is, makeup kit or something. And yeah, I forgot to bring them down here. So that's the only makeup products that I showed you, because, you know, yep. And here's the package here. Yeah, so that's it, guys. This is not a very long video, it's just a short ones. And yay, too many. And yeah, so here it is. Yay, I have a lot of them. Yep, there you go. So that's it. I hope you enjoy. Oops, I hope you enjoy watching this video. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment down below. And don't forget, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification icon so you won't miss any of my new upload videos. So yes, thank you guys for watching. Bye bye. Mwah.